Him call them guy, him call them boy. That boy there, right? Maybe I go tell me, say, you know, hear them things about me, hear it because me listen to it, him just like how me listen to anybody else. You see, Mark Golden look upon him, where this brother and him from down at Western St. Mary there, Montague, and call him the boy. The boy no fit for in a parliament. To me, let me tell you, who no fit for in a parliament? Mark Jefferson Golden, okay? Because him is a liar and him can't talk when him born. Listen me good. Mark Golden can born America, him can born England, and him can born Jamaica. Me know say him no born Jamaica. Because if him born Jamaica, he couldn't be so much lime, couldn't have mix up himself so. Because that way must say mix him up, you know. There is no way, me a 70-year-old, 75-year-old few days from now. And me know some of my schoolmates, and me know me teacher them. My teacher, the last teacher will teach me was still mapping up a Bartlodge Primary. You understand me? Me know Dunzo boy, me know Ricky, those are my classmates. You understand me? So why you can't hear that you have one man in a Jamaica? Where's the man classmate if in go school here? You ever think of that? Now me I give you food for thought, you know. Look in yourself and open your heart. Take the PMP out of you or the JLP out of you and ask yourself now. A man born in a Jamaica and go to school in a Jamaica and he can't name one single one of his schoolmate boss and him only in his 60s and me a 70 and me can't name all of them. No, me want you look into that and ask yourself what the backside is happening here. Nobody no remember say him and Mark Golden go to school. Gentlemen, why you have to look in yourself, my brother, and why you have to understand yourself. Number two, why me could never vote for Mark Golden. Mark Golden is an ignorant man, a slave master, a slave driver. A man who believes in a power so much that he believes him for upfront. And that is not a good person. Any person who wants power so bad that him feels him have upfront. And how he treat them same PMP people him around him. How he push them around. Did you know that Mark Golden write letter to him? Where the brother the name Rasta one there? For regular Rasta one there. Tell him say him can contest the leadership of the party.
We are talking Crawford.
Yeah, did you know that? Saying write a letter with the man Crawford have a sign saying now go challenge the leadership. That is dictatorship, my brother. So no don't understand how I get in. Yes, it's good for you to be a PMP. But there is a time that you have to look for your country. Over the PMP or the JLP. Me do it 1976. Because when the man called the state of emergency, me never lock up, but then scrape me up off a road and put me in a cage up a place there. If me never have new good people in a high society, me da go on a ratty jail to in a red fence. So it pain me. So me back where? You see, because you know say Michael Manley was good for Jamaica, that is the biggest lie we know they ever tell. He's the wickedest prime minister ever in this country. Because they want power by force. And this is the same thing this man want on the EMs every day. We don't come on and don't back me up and we are going to pick it to them. Because they're not going to leg up power easy. I know we are going to leg up power. And the people are going to vote for out if we are going to get voted out, you know. It is the people and we. So why you make statement like that? You're making, so you see how hungry he is? My brother, Mr. Mark Golden put a chain on a man and it remind me of my ancestors. And that man should never even be part him there now. Because he might remind me of the crimes. And let me go back down some more. Did you know that the man is a Jew? You know what Jew do? You come in your country and then collect your asset and then take away your money. For him and for his family. So the NIR where they are $5 billion now. I hit them high the pan. So same like him take the FinSAC money and enrich himself for the same thing him going to do to the Jamaica money where he fix the road. And the one that cost the Prime Minister say him not fix enough road fast enough. But at least him a fix what he can fix. And him a do what he can do. And I commend him for that because nothing that do from in 89 come straight up to 2016. Not do. Because if anything men do within this problem now. Next thing, You say we know all about Mike, the man, so me I go ask you a question and me don't like you answer me. You know where Marky G asset is? You can answer me that one. You know where Marky G asset is?
Oh, the question?
Yeah.
No, I don't know what I'm asset there.
You don't know where asset there. You don't think that's something for you know. You don't believe
No, but I guess you can tell me, right?
Alright, well on a little bit. Let me term the question. You have a man want to be prime minister of your country. And as a Jamaican, don't you believe you have the right to know where this asset?
You should, but is it something that is hidden? As you said that is hidden, nobody know where it's at?
I ask you a question, man. Simple question. Do you believe, don't you have the right if somebody want to represent you in your country? Don't you should know much more about him and where his asset are? If him have any?
Yeah, you should know about him financially, but I never know that was I wasn't aware that was a problem.
Okay. Well, you see when the man come to him 2 days before he come to opposition leader, him said him asset abroad. Did you know that him don't pay tax in Jamaica? Huh?
What kind of taxes him don't pay? Property tax, GTC, them don't pay.
Well, he may pay GDC, but did you know that he don't pay no consumer tax and all that something in Jamaica?
Why?
Because him now no asset here and he might everything over in offshore.
It must have been no man. Man, I'm not prove bank, man. You crazy that guy.
You don't know, man. What you tell me about no, man? Man, you have to do your research, you know.
No, hold on. Them have a bank named Proven. You tell me say them not Jamaica, them not pay taxes.
Well, man have a bank named Proven Bank where yes, him supposed to appear, we're supposed to appear to that. But me I talk about him individually and his business.
That's his business. That's his business.
All them whole heap of money we have. When you listen to me good, you know, right? Where tax supposed to come out at a year time. And it's supposed to go in at the see him sitting there with the IC for check and for him sitting there, but you don't have to check for him because you don't have none here. In Jamaica. But maybe you don't know that because you don't look into that and look into the things of what you want. You just want to vote for a man when I have no interest in you.
No, but you have to bring that to the public knowledge. If you know all of that, you need to make the public know. You need to create a narrative there and make the public know so when Mark Golden not paying the taxes.
That's why me afraid now that them people can know and then can go look. When a man take all that money and send it in offshores all over the place, you cannot touch him on him tax. But the Prime Minister have him money and still. Any amount you know say him have it, you say him have to pay regular tax.
My brother, I agree with I hear what you say and I respect what you say, but okay. I understand this. It's a politics. Politics is a game where it's a big game. It's a big game where people.
Oi. And the politics me attack.
What you talking?
Facts. I'm talking facts of a man that want to represent us from the difference of the man who are beat down. That is where me a point to you. I mean, I point to the people who live my life to show that
brother,
they can make a better choice.
I'm not beating on neither right nor left.
The next thing now, the last one. If you have money and you are going to invest it, where would you invest it? You're a Jamaican, you're in Jamaica, and you have money. And Jamaica have need for some kind of commodity. And you want to invest 120 million or whatsoever it is, where would you invest it? Come on, man, it's a question me ask you know.
Okay. You invest the money, it depends on what you want to do and how favorable it is to you. You know, you invest the money where you can get your returns, and if you live in Jamaica and there's a business down that you can do for make money, so be it. You're not going to go nowhere else. And as long as you can get back your return from the money where you borrow, because most is borrow money, you can pay interest to the bank, or you can get a return on it and you can investment up, you're good to go, invest. Why not? If you have the access to invest on the stock market overseas and you can make money, you diversify your portfolio. Ain't nothing wrong with that. If you go to the Prime Minister now, if you go to the Prime Minister, then you probably have to bring home everything, people have to know everything about you and stuff like that. That's different from being an individual where as an ordinary citizen.
All right, okay, me like you, I like what your reason. The last question. Did you know that we need housing here where the same opposition leader walk on a top where more bill 50,000 house in 5 years and so on? You know that him take $20 million and invest in a house, small people house down one of the Caribbean island where we can't touch? I never know that neither. instead of to lend this government the money where this government can build some house to put people in. So is that love in your country?
No, I don't know about that, but what I can say is that I know them have them banking thing and it's the throughout the Caribbean. You know,
No,
and
we
the throughout the Caribbean. So I don't know. Just like how we have bank from Trinidad that's in Jamaica, and
Yes,
everybody that across the Caribbean do them business.
Yes,
So I don't
I'm
know. I
only
don't
saying
know how them come by doing that. I don't know.
I'm only saying to you, I'm not speaking about proving. Prove me the bank where I make billions of dollars out of, because remember say you have to pay interest rate when you go in them bank there and then lend them money to people, and I tap only him tap on Harris him all lend it too. Because you can't go put and go look money tomorrow. Right? And anyway, something only I make you know. The rotted man lend another country, I think a Bahamas, $20 million for make him local house for them people.
Low income houses?
Right. And let 3 countries suffer for low income houses. So which
But
good
I think if Andrew administration approach prove now in the bank where Mark have and they want to borrow money, I don't think they're going to turn them down.
Well, and it look like you know hear me say, you know. Me not talk about Andrew for go borrow money from them. Me I say the man have some money for invest. When could I invest it here for help the same people where want to vote for him? And he don't do it, he go do it to other country. You know, say that bad. You know, say you not like your
borrow
country.
the money from them. But I think he said them borrow the money. I think that's what he said, right?
I said no, him take money and send it down a place there to go build house alone. Him say not down at that place to go build house to them, the people when we want house here. That's
so
what
are you
I'm
telling
saying.
me, what are you saying? That Mark Golding took money from wherever I have the money, $20 million US,
Yeah.
and invest it in another country.
Yes.
And him have a project going on down there as we speak now, building houses. And that's what you're saying?
Yes.
Bahamas.
In the
Yes.
Bahamas. Him have build low income houses down there.
Yes.
Are you serious?
And I'm asking you the question. Why not him not lend this government the money for build low income house to the people who want to vote for him? You say the man is a wicked ras boss.
Yeah,
You
the government,
have housing trust, man. Come on, man. You have
the
housing
government
trust.
have scheme them and them lend them the money.